Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A3 Saloon Edition 135 TDI with the S-Tronic transmission. This particular model is finished in the stunning Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. With this being the 35 TDI, you get 147 brake horsepower with 360 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 8 seconds onto a top speed of 142 miles per hour. Fitted to the front, we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you optimal visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid style alloy wheels finished in matte grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork. With the rear tailgate open, you receive 425 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage or weekly family shop. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara with the diamond stitching, centre armrests and dual cup holders, as well as rear air vents so rear passengers get a taste of that precious air conditioning. Both outer seats are finished with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front, we have the flat-bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display, as well as dual-zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossed in there at the top, and they are fully electrically adjustable with a 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The driver's seat has 2 levels of memory function, so if you have 2 drivers, finding your perfect driving position is always on hand for you. The Audi virtual cockpit can be controlled using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel, giving you maximum control over what is displayed in front of you. On the right is your volume and voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display, you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control, we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And with said dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come take a look for yourself.